Number 1 question. How to import goods from China to the Philippines? There are mainly two popular ways for bulk orders. Air freight means the cargo would be shipping by plane. Sea freight means the cargo would be shipping by boat. There are two types of sea freight. LCL. It means you will share the container with others. The LCL method is suitable for a small shipment from China to the Philippines. FCL. It means the entire container is yours. This method is better for a large shipment from China to the Philippines. Usually, the cargo would ship to your city port, but nowadays they can be the door-to-door services. Occur an extra charge. There are two ways for small orders, such as dropshipping or personal use. Small packages, such as postal service. Express, such as DHL, FedEx, UPS, and IMS. Number 2 question. How much does it cost to shipping from China to the Philippines? The shipping cost from China to the Philippines depends on the volume of the packages, quantity of goods, chargeable weight, distances between ports, service type, etc. Also, there are different matters like customs clearance, customs charges, etc. What method you are going to use would be another factor. The sea freight and air freight rates from China to the Philippines are different. Also, if you are using a small package and express shipping service, the product type will affect the shipping fee too. For example, if the product with battery, inside, or not will make a massive difference with the rate. The standard sea shipping cost about $50 to $120 per CBM. Minimum charge volume is 1 CBM. Sea door-to-door shipping costs about $0.5 to $1.5 per kg. And the minimum charge volume is 0.5 CBM. Air door-to-door shipping will cost about $4 to $10 per kilogram, and the minimum charge weight is 40 kilogram. Express shipping costs about $4 to $10 per kilogram, and the minimum charge weight is 4 kilogram. Small packages cost about $15 to $25 per kilogram, and the maximum charge weight is 10 kilogram. It is an average calculation, and it changes almost all the time. If you want the best quotation, please get in touch with the forwarder to check. Number 3 question. How long does it take to ship from China to the Philippines? It's a bit complicated. Firstly, the cargo will arrive in the forwarder's warehouse. Then the cargo would be transferred to the carrier, such as an express company or a vessel. Finally, the carrier received and finished all the paperwork and loaded it on board. A small package will cost about 7 to 14 working days after the package arrived to forwarder. Express shipping will cost about 3 to 5 days after the express company picks up. Air shipping will cost about 7 to 10 days after the cargo is on board. Standard sea shipping will cost 3 to 5 days after the cargo is on board. Door-to-door sea shipping will cost 5 to 7 days after the cargo is on board. The most popular port in China is Shenzhen, Shanghai, Beijing, and Guangzhou. Philippines' most popular destination port is Manila, Davao, Malinga, and Quezon. From different ports or destinations will occur 1 or 2 days more or less for arrival will occur. Number 4 question. Do I need a forwarder to help me at the destination? The answer is not a straightforward yes or no. It depends on what kind of shipping solution you used. For small packages and express, you don't need any local forwarder. If you are asked for door-to-door service for air and sea shipping, you don't need any local forwarder either. The local work, such as customs clearance and regional shipping, was included in the service package. If you choose normal air and sea shipping, the cargo will ship to your city port, and then the shipping job is done. You have to take it over from there. Probably you need a local forwarder to help you with the local customs clearance, tax, and cargo pickup. Number 5 question. Do I have to pay customs charges? How much? Customs charge is a must for releasing your packages from the customs. You have to pay the required customs charges. Usually, your broker or the freight forwarder can help you pay it. The average customs duty rate in the Philippines is 10.5%. It depends on the product you are importing, and you can check your custom and local broker to get more details. Number 6 question. What is the chargeable weight? There are 2 ways to calculate the chargeable weight. Volumetric weight. Gross weight. Let me give you a picture. 1 kilogram cotton and 1 kilogram metal. Both of them are 1 kilogram. The volume can be substantially different. The cotton volume can be 10 times of metal. For example, if there is a container, it can fit 100 kilogram of metal. but it may only fit 10-kilogram cotton. The volume of cotton is much bigger than metal. So carrier creates a volumetric weight. They would charge the bigger one with volumetric and gross weight. Volumetric weight. Calculate based on the size of your carton box. Suppose your box's length is 1 meter, height is 1 meter, and width is 1 meter. The volume of the box is length multiply height multiply width equals 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 equal to 1 cbm. The air cubic conversion factor is 167. So the volumetric weight is 1 multiply 167 equal to 167. Gross weight is the accurate weight of the goods with carton boxes. Suppose the weight of your goods is 50 kilogram. The carrier will use the bigger for the chargeable weight. Here the volumetric weight, 167 kilogram, is bigger than the gross weight, 50 kilogram. So the volumetric weight is the chargeable weight here. Usually, small packages, express, air shipping, and door-to-door shipping carriers use the volumetric weight. By the way, if your cargo length is over 100 centimeter, then there may be some occur an extra charge. Number 7 question. What are the prohibited products imported to the Philippines? There is a long list of prohibited imports to the Philippines, such as used clothing and rags, toy guns, right-hand drive vehicles, hazardous waste, dynamite, gunpowder, ammunitions and other explosives, firearms and weapons of war, and parts thereof, gambling outfit. You'd better check with the shipping forwarder before you place an order in China. Number 8 question. What are the best shipping solutions for me? Sea freight and air freight are the 2 most popular freight forwarding methods worldwide. There are more advantages of air freight from China to the Philippines over sea freight in several ways, such as air freight is much quicker than sea shipping. Air freight is more secure than sea shipping. Air freight is a much more straightforward control shipping method. Then, if you want to get the cargo faster with significant volume, try air. Of course, if you can wait, sea shipping is the best. Usually, a small package is the best for drop shipping. Express shipping is the best for high value and small weight and volume cargo. Let's sum up. Sea is the cheapest, slowest method. Express is the most expensive, fastest, and safest method. Number 9 question. How can I lower the shipping costs? Tips 1. Ask your suppliers to make custom cartons for your product. For example, 50 pieces for each carton. In this way, it's much easier to manage. Tips 2. Use the high-quality carton box to pack your cargo so that the carton won't be out of shape easily. Tips 3. Make full use of the interior carton space. In this way, your product is better organized and protected. Tips 4. Try to consolidate your shipping orders, and if your delivery package is more extensive, it helps a lot to negotiate with the shipper for better freight. Tips 5. Combine your significant volume and weight cargo. Tip 6. Negotiate for discounts. Negotiate with several shippers to get better freight.